Hey guys, it's Scott. I'm at Burger King today for lunch. I haven't been going out for lunch. I've been bringing stuff or not eating lunch, so I haven't been around. Anyway, I went to Burger King just because it was fast and cheap, and here's the bag. I got one of the $5 meals. I got the $5 junior chicken thing, junior chicken sandwich. I think their chicken's pretty good. I think I've had it before. Some fries and some chicken nuggets there. Sorry I didn't hold up the fries. I always got to hold up the fries. And they're fine. Fries are good. And I don't know if I had one of these chicken sandwiches, but I'll give it a shot. It's the chicken junior. The tender and crispy, in case you didn't know. And I'm so sure. Could be a little more tender. It's a little tough. I'm not so sure. Well, McDonald's chicken sandwich, by the way, the consistency, no matter which McDonald's you go, it's a very good chicken, and so is Wendy's. This one, I'm not too thrilled. Some mayo on there, some lettuce. Well, that's what we're having, so who knows if I'll finish it or not. But I got some chicken nuggets. They're probably tough too. Always got my fries. Anyway, this is what you're getting for $5. I guess I should have gotten the Whopper Junior, but I didn't want the burger, and I said I'll just go with the chicken here. I guess it was a mistake. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy. Thank you.